Hello YouTube, today in this video we are going to create intro like this for our YouTube channel. So if you really want to create an professional looking intro video for your channel, then please watch the video until the end without missing any part. So now let's move on to our mobile screen. Oh, hello friends. So to create an intro for your YouTube channel, the first step is to download Legend animated text intro maker from Google Play Store. Link is available in description below. You can go there and easily download it. After you download, open the tab, click on the intro maker button here, and here you will get tons of built-in intro videos for you in different sections like trending, new, special, suggested and animated. After downloading whatever you like from here, just click that intro and click on the edit button here. And after clicking on edit button, you will get here some kind of styles on how your channel name will appear in the intro. So I will choose randomly one of the best style, and in here style 2 you will get how your intro transition is going to look. So I will give it a randomly one style, and after that here comes the font section where you can change how your text would look like. So I will give one font here like this, and after that here comes the text section and where you can write your channel name and it will appear in your intro. I give Techie Man, and let me increase the size, and after that you will get the color section here where you can change the color of your text, and after that you will get here the background section where you can choose any of your custom photos or anything, or you can choose here any of the backgrounds like this. You can download them and use in your intro, and after that you will get animated intros. You can click the plus icon here and download whatever background that you like. So I have downloaded 2 of the animated background. Let me choose one here, and after that the last is the settings. So you can get here the snow effect, love effect, anything effect. So I will choose here snow effect, and before you save this intro you have to remove this watermark of Legend intro maker. So for that just click on here watermark and click on remove watermark for 1 day, and you have to see here 30-second ads to remove that watermark. So after the 30-second is completed, just click on the wrong button and you can see here the watermark has been removed, and after that just click on the save button and save it to the 1080p, and it will take some time. So guys, after you have successfully exported or saved that intro video in your gallery, then you have to come in the KineMaster app and create a new project here and select the 16:9 ratio for your video and select that exported video from Legend animated text. So you can see my intro video has been added here in this KineMaster app, and after that you have to add music, and this is the full intro of 10 seconds, and I don't want my intro for 10 seconds because people will not like that long intro. So I just want it to the 3 or 4 seconds. So what I have to do is choose this video and select speed here. Let's increase this speed into 2.5x and right click on it, and what I have to do now is add a music to my intro. Okay, after you have successfully exported your video from Legend animated text intro maker and manage the perfect duration for that intro in KineMaster,
Then the next step is to download and add the music to that intro video. So let's see how we can do that.
Okay guys, to add the music in your intro video, we have to download the copyright free music, and for that you come here in the studio.youtube.com and click here on the three line and then go to here audio library, and after that you will get here free musics and sound effects, so you can use any of these music in your YouTube video. As you guys know, our intro video is about just 4 or 5 seconds, so we need the music that is 4 or 5 seconds. So how can we get that music is by doing search filter. Just click on search here and click on the duration here, and then apply the duration 0005. I want the music which is shorter than 5 seconds, so and apply the condition. And as you can see here, we have got so many songs, around 6 to 7 songs here that are shorter than 5 seconds. So guys, I will choose here your intro song, and you can just click here download button, and then the video has been already downloaded. So guys, after you have downloaded that particular song, then come here in the kinemaster app again and click here on the audio section. This song is available here, and add your song here and cut that unnecessary part by clicking your song, trim and split, and you are done. So as you can see, our intro is ready. Now it's time to export our intro. Just click here on the export button and then just click export. So now let's check out how our intro is made. As you have seen how easily we can create professional looking intro for any YouTube channel. So please subscribe the channel and click that bell icon. Thank you. Subscribe and bye.